What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to download the game Crashlands 2 on your PC. So what we need to do is open our Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Now if you buy games at Steam it can get really expensive, especially the latest ones, but don't worry, we got a little workaround for that. What you need to do is open the Google browser and we need to locate this game first on Steam before we can proceed to another website. So go to the Steam website, after that search of course for the game Crashlands 2 and select the game. Now if you scroll a little bit down then you will find this game for €24.50. But don't worry, we got a little workaround for that. What you need to do is open the link in the video description where it says find game here and you will be redirected to this web page. Now search for the same game and after that select games on the left side, then sort by price lowest first and you will find this game which can be activated in our country, so this text needs to be marked green, and of course you need to select the PC version. So select the game. After that you can open it and you will find out that this game is €20.56 instead of €24.50. Now if you buy this game on this website you will receive a activation key for Steam to activate and download this game through Steam, or a new Steam account completely legit, so you are able to play this game online. Now you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including the activation key or the login credentials of the new Steam account, and you are able to play this game. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!